This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax return Cleartax full guide. Open Cleartax and sign in, then click File Income Tax Return from the dashboard and choose Individual. Verify your personal details including PAN and Aadhaar, then upload Form 16 or enter salary details manually. Add income from other sources, claim deductions, and preview the tax computation before proceeding to verification. Start by entering your salary components as shown in Form 16, including taxable allowances and deductions. Next, add income from house property, other sources, and capital gains, ensuring values match supporting documents. Use Cleartax prompts to add rent received, interest, or dividend income, and to report tax deducted at source so your computation stays accurate and smooth for filing. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh car after marathon tax filing sessions. It makes those paperwork drives much nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals, pick one up if you want, and now let's get back to the video. Review deductions carefully and enter investments like ELSE, PPF, and insurance under 80C and medical under 80D. Match TDS and advance tax with Form 26 as to catch discrepancies early. After previewing the return, use Aadhaar OTP or net banking to e-verify, which completes filing and starts processing with the tax department for a faster refund or closure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.